Hello students, in this video I'm going to describe the task that is expected when you are doing this assignment 2, which carries 20% of your marks. As you can read on the first line here, the purpose of this assignment is to introduce you to the survey type of research. This is a group assignment, and as such you will be divided into groups of 4. Each group will be given a research topic and a relevant research instrument. Your task is to write down the research objectives, research questions, and then to administer the instrument to sample of respondents either at Segi University or in schools in the KL Petaling area. Due to the crisis that is prevailing now, I am going to modify this task into something that you can do it from home. So the purpose still remains the same, but then this time it is not a group assignment, it's an individual assignment. So no grouping into 4, 3, etc. And you are not going to conduct or administer the instrument to any sample. You are not going out to do. So what I intend to do to make us still accomplish the assignment is I'm going to provide you with the data, and then I'm also going to give you the research questions, and I expect you to answer the research questions through the data analysis in the SPSS using the SPSS tool. Okay, is that quite clear? You're not doing it in groups, you are doing it individually. You are not going out to conduct or administer the instrument. The instrument is going to be given to you, but then the administration is already done elsewhere. As the instructor, I'm going to provide you with the data, so you just have to give me a title, give me the objectives, give me the research questions for this assignment. So a title is needed, research objectives, research questions. Very simple. It's all there in the assignment. Later I give you some hints on that. So what we are going to do is that once you have installed the SPSS software into your laptop, which I believe you have to do it, I'm not very sure how you're going to get the software. If it were a face-to-face meeting, I can provide you with my SPSS version 25, and that's what I had been doing for the earlier cohorts. Unfortunately, I cannot do that here, but then I still expect you to get it installed in your laptop, so that as I move through and show you some examples of how to do certain analysis, you can do it at home using the software to get some answers for the research questions, and then do some write-up for this assignment too. So basically you will be doing only about 3/4 portion of this task that's prescribed in this assignment 2. At least 1/4 will be done by me. Okay, is that clear, students? Okay, let us move down. The task And what more you have to do when you are doing this assignment. Right here you can see that code draw data. As I told you, the data will be provided by me, and you have to do the coding. How do we code raw data? Okay, I'll teach you how to do using an exercise data. Then when I provide the real one, you can just try and code the real data. I shall start showing the analysis, or rather the entry, the coding for the data very soon. Let's move. Okay, once you have coded, you have cleaned the data. Cleaning means ensuring that the data is fully usable. If there are missing values, how do we find remedies to fill them up? What idea are we going to use to make sure that there are no more missing values, they are rather filled with some other values that are acceptable? Okay, once all this is done, meaning that the cleaning of the data, of the missing values, plus sometimes we do find outliers, data that are called outliers, meaning that when we enter the data from the questionnaires, from the respondents, it is possible that we make errors. Instead of typing an 8, we may have typed an 88. Instead of typing a 4, we may have typed 44, and things like that. By right, each cell should only have one number, one digit or two digits number, but then we may make some errors as we enter the data. So all this we have to clean. We have to make sure they are correctly entered. This process is called cleaning, and I will teach you on the exercise data. And then you have to do the analysis using the SPSS software. So I will introduce you to the SPSS software, the face, the first page of an SPSS software, the variable layout plus the data layout. I will explain all this in details to enable you to understand and use this software. Okay, let's move on. I'm just going through your tasks that are required in assignment 2. So when I move to the actual explanations area, you will know that even better. Okay, after having done the cleaning, we are going to answer the questions. See, we are going to answer the questions, and there are two basic types of analysis that we do. One is called descriptive analysis, another is called inferential analysis. Descriptive is meant to obtain data information which we use to describe. Okay, just description. Maybe we say what is the level, we may say what is the mean average value, we may say whether it's high, low, things like that, how dispersed the data are. But then when we come to the inferential, that's where we try to predict using the findings and then the interpretation. So this is a rather serious matter, the inferential part, but I will still show you some examples on how to do that exactly on the SPSS. So please do not worry, look for the next video. Thank you.